It is a statement that contradicts his earlier message congratulating the deputy president for the collapse of his case, the former premier likely kicking off a storm in the political circles. Speaking to France 24, Raila claims ICC judge's decision to terminate the crimes against humanity case against Deputy President William Ruto and Joshua Arap Sang spelled doom for global efforts to fight impunity. In entering a mistrial judgment in the Ruto-Sang case on April 5th, the judges observed that the case collapsed due to political meddling and witness tampering. The court leader now faulting the ruling on grounds that it has emboldened African leaders to mock the ICC, commit crimes and get away unpunished.
To the international justice, it spells doom, because it basically means that anybody can be accused, and if you can find a way of interfering with witnesses, by intimidating witnesses, by killing witnesses, for example, then you get scot-free.
Odinga also says the ICC allowed itself to be blackmailed by Kenya through the Africa Union. Kenya marshaled the AU to threaten the ICC of a pullout should the court have convicted the deputy president. The former premier blasted the court, saying it refused to invoke the controversial Article 68 on the use of recanted evidence. Kenya led an onslaught at the Assembly of State Parties, lobbying against the retroactive application of Rule 68 in the Ruto case.
Now, when a witness is recanted, there is Article 68 of the ICC statute, which allows them to use recanted evidence. They, of course, refused to use recanted evidence in this particular case, and then they come up and say that it was a mistrial.
Nonetheless, the ODM party leader distanced himself from claims of fixing Deputy President William Ruto. At the height of the 2008 post-poll chaos, Ruto was a member of the Orange Party.
So it is not true. Those people who are killed elsewhere were supporters of ODM who are being targeted by other people. And those ones have never been brought to book up to today. So what we are trying to say is that it is a victory for other people, but not for the victims.
The court leader, however, says, given that the court had dropped charges against President Uhuru Kenyatta, it was good for political balance that charges against Ruto were equally dropped. Sam Ogina, Citizen Live at 1.